How to automate tasks with Grok AI. Hey everybody, if you'd like to automate tasks with Grok AI, you may follow up these steps. So open up the Grok AI application or website, visit it, and you can automate tasks by leveraging its ability to access real-time information and engage in conversational interactions. So if you like an email, you can just go and type in a prompt like write me write me an email for a job application or something like that. And you can just go ahead and hit send once you type it in. And you can go ahead and do so. And once you do so, it will automatically give you a very professional email that you may want to use in order to save your time like a pro in seconds. After that, you can head over and you can integrate it with chatbots to handle routine customer inquiries, freeing up human agents to focus on more complex issues, etc. And the automation ensures customers receive quick and accurate responses to their queries, improving overall satisfaction. Apart from that, it can also draft responses based on your preferred communication style. You can just go ahead and use the chat box right here for that, and that will help you save your time and effort. It can also help you with various content creation tasks, including marketing copy. Just go ahead and type in that after that product descriptions and reports, etc. And this can especially be helpful for business looking to streamline their content generation process. And Grok can be used to automate a wide range of business process, saving time and resources. And by automating repetitive tasks, business can improve efficiency and focus on more strategic initiatives. After that, you can just head over and follow up these of steps. You can be very specific with your prompts instead of broad requests. Provide a clear and concise instructions to guide Grok's responses. And you can use follow-up questions to clarify and improve the output as well. And that's it. So therefore, you can follow up this method for automation and significantly improve your productivity and streamline your workflows. So that's it for today's video. I hope this information was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.